Hi friend, I'm Olivia Smith. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel where I share the latest global news every day. You can also read more news on TimeGlitter.com. You can find all the links in the video description below. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's jump into today's news. News headline: Trump's Mar-a-Lago co-defendant seeks dismissal of charges in documents case. News details: lawyers representing Donald Trump's second co-defendant in a criminal case about keeping secret documents have requested a federal judge to dismiss certain parts of the charges. Carlos de Oliveira, who was in charge of maintenance at Trump's Mar-a-Lago club, faces accusations from last year. It's claimed he was involved in trying to erase security footage showing boxes of classified documents being moved out of a storage room to be concealed. In a lengthy court document submitted on Thursday, lawyers representing de Oliveira argued that certain obstruction charges against him should be dropped. They claimed de Oliveira didn't know about a subpoena for the footage or the obligations it entailed. The document also requested special counsel prosecutors to provide more details about the obstruction charges before a potential trial, and to schedule a hearing on the matter. De Oliveira's legal team may find it difficult to get the charges dismissed because their arguments concern facts in the case typically decided by a jury rather than legal issues decided by the judge. The decision on this request may not come immediately. The presiding judge, Aileen Cannon, might postpone a ruling until a jury is selected. If the charges are dismissed at that point, prosecutors might not be able to appeal. Last year's indictment alleged that de Oliveira was involved in concealing Trump's attempt to keep classified documents. Despite a government subpoena demanding their return, the surveillance footage is crucial to the case because it supposedly captures Trump's valet, Walt Nauta, moving boxes from the storage room just before Trump's lawyer was set to review them for any classified materials demanded by the subpoena. Although the surveillance tapes were eventually given to the government as required, prosecutors from the special counsel's office, led by Jack Smith, saw this incident as an attempt to obstruct the investigation. The indictment suggests that Trump may have directed Nauta to destroy the tapes. Nauta then sought help from de Oliveira, and together they identified the cameras in the security booth using flashlights. In the following days, de Oliveira asked the IT director at Mar-a-Lago, referred to as Trump employee 4 inches but believed to be Yushil Taveras, about the storage duration of surveillance footage. De Oliveira then insisted that the boss wanted the server deleted. Despite Taveras' lack of knowledge on how to delete the server and suggesting de Oliveira ask the Trump Organization's security supervisor, de Oliveira persisted in his request to delete the server, citing the boss's instructions. De Oliveira's motion to dismiss relied on 2 main arguments. First, that he couldn't have obstructed justice because he didn't know about the subpoena and its requirements, and second, that his denial to the FBI during a voluntary interview was misunderstood. Regarding the accusation that the boss wanted the tapes deleted, de Oliveira's lawyers argued that there's no evidence he knew about the subpoena or that the data was relevant to it. Regarding the accusation of lying to the FBI, de Oliveira's lawyers stated he wasn't certain about what prosecutors were asking when he denied knowledge of the box's movement into Mar-a-Lago. Trump's lawyers were also supposed to file motions to dismiss the charges, including one based on presidential immunity and another alleging selective and vindictive prosecution. However, these filings are not expected to be made public until redaction requests are addressed. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.